Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be playing Beach Day. This is made by Force Slug, the same person that made a dream you've had before. And I guess I'm going to be playing this. If I get scared, no, if I scream, the video ends. Alright. Okay, so that, who could afford all these? I want to get to why is there wood in the middle of the beach? And why are these beach balls filled with ketchup? I guess, we head this way. Does it say where we are? No. I don't know how long this is gonna be. Let's hope not forever. Oh. I didn't even realize. It almost looked like normal. Wow, how did I not realize that? The mirror looks a little normal, but I guess we're continuing.